Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Here behind us we have a beast of a Sprinter. It's a 2024 long wheelbase, all-wheel drive. It's the 419. It is an absolute weapon. We've set it up full off-grid capability. Got some awesome new products that we've used in there that we haven't done before. So pretty excited to share what we've done. Let's get straight into it. Alrighty, so before we step into the van, on the exterior on this side, we've got the fixed window that got put in, and then the Eurovision windows. So they're the super slim line. They almost look factory, and they've got the inbuilt block out and fly screen awning style window. So awesome when it's raining too, you can have them open up. You're not gonna get rain inside the car. We've got the front runner roof rack up top and the big Fiamma F45 awning, which again, rolls out nice and easy and gives you that shade when you are set up. So yeah, a few awesome things there, and we'll show you the fun stuff on the inside. Alrighty, so here we are in the kitchen, sort of dining area of the van. First up, the Tassie oak ceilings. They look awesome in here. We've sort of kept that flowing throughout the van with the pop-up table, our window frames, kitchen bench, overheads, and in the back of the rear of the van too, you'll sort of see that Tassie oak flow throughout. One of the cool products that we used the first time is the floor on this van. So it's a product from Blue Sky. It's used a lot in marine sort of situations, in boats and things like that, but perfect for vans as well because it's completely waterproof, super hard wearing, easy to keep clean, and it's actually feels really nice under your feet. So we're really stoked with how that came up. It's a really cool feature of this van. Got these rad little cushions here, so a bit of pop of colour in here, which is cool. And then the cabinetry is a mint green on this one. So again, just a different colour to what we usually use. So it's cool to work with something else. Into the kitchen area, we have, first up on this face panel, we have the diesel heater control, which is tapped directly into the tank. So just draws diesel from your main tank. And great for when you're camping and out in winter. Heat this space up, no problem at all. That's the auto term kit there. We've got a GPO there. You've got all your electrical controls here, so you can turn your inverter switch on. Double induction cooker from Dometic, a really nice looking bit of gear, and they work great as well. 130 litre Bushman's fridge freezer, storage drawer above that, and then we have our kitchen sink. So that lifts up, sink underneath. That's just our main tap, so pretty much everyday use you're going to use this one. And then you have your filtered water kit for drinking water. So this all runs off a 100 litre water tank underneath the van, or when you're plugged into mains water, it just works directly through that too. Hot water on demand via the Duetto 10 litre electric hot water system. And then our little Enerdrive battery monitor readout there. Awesome overhead storage, super handy just to get all the things that you're going to be using every day. Store up there, and then loads of storage in the double door cupboard here with, again, a nice stack of drawers underneath that one. Under the seat, we have a porta potty. So there's toilets there for an emergency, which also is a good feature to have. The client wanted the cabinet cut down short on this because he will house his surfboards across this space. So make up a little bracket at the back, and then we'll be able to run the longboards all the way through. Safe, keep them inside the van. You don't have to climb up and down on the roof to get them all the time. They're in here and also out of the way. So that's why that one doesn't go all the way to the ceiling. Max fan up there, down lights straight through the middle, strip light in that one too. So that's pretty much this kitchen dining area. Swivel seats there, really cool, nice and easy. You can get out of the car. You don't have to get out of the car, you can walk straight in. And yeah, we'll show you the back of the van. Alrighty, so back of house, the garage, and I guess first up, another cool feature of the van, a full queen size bed. Massive to have in this van, and it still feels so open throughout the whole thing. So pretty luxurious there to have that. Underneath the van, we have all of this open space. So down the track, we have the option of putting in, a big Weber barbecue slide out or a big slide out tray to house, some containers, storage boxes, things like that. At the moment, it's going away to sort of see how they're going to use it. The clients are going to use it, and then it can come back down the track to, have that option to put something in there. So it's a pretty good one to have in there. We've got the LED strip light underneath to light it up. Around the side of the van, we've got the services, mains power plug-in, mains water connection, tank filler. External shower here, which again, instant hot water, cold water, straight out of the back of the van, which is really cool. Storage right down the side of the queen bed there. Overhead storage, 2 little reading lights left and right, and also 2 Sirocco fans up front. Now, what drives the whole van? We have all of our electrical in here. So it is fed by everything's EnerDrive. We have a 400 amp hour lithium battery, 600 watts of solar on the roof. We've got a 40 amp hour charger, DC-DC charger. When you're plugged into mains power, it obviously charges your whole system whilst powering everything inside the van. And then when we're not plugged in, that's just going to run off the solar, or when we're driving, it's going to throw charge into your system. So 2000 watt inverter in there as well, and plenty of power to stay off grid. Alrighty, so that's a wrap on back of the house. Alrighty, so that is a wrap on our Sprinter, latest Sprinter build at Roam Fitouts. We're really happy with how it turned out, getting to work with some new products and just the overall flow throughout the whole van. Being able to create this one was really, really cool. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please like and subscribe, as we've got some awesome content coming up and some really cool builds in the works at the moment too. So hoping to share some of the in-between stuff with you for that as well. But yeah, hope you guys like the video, and stay tuned for the next one. And that's more or less a wrap for back of house. Alrighty, so that's a wrap for the back of house.
Yeah, 3 words.
It's a wrap. That's a wrap. What did I say? That's a wrap.
So that's a wrap on the back of house.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap on back of the house. Alrighty, so that's a wrap on back of the house.